Opportunity costs and the broken window fallacy. France's great economist Frederick Bastiat left the famous broken window fallacy in 1850. When the careless son of a shopkeeper broke the window of the store, he scolded his son. But after people around him said that the town earns money through the broken window, his opinion changes. This is because when the store owner spends money to fix his broken window, the window store gets new work, and with the new money earned, the owner of the window store will change his old shoes and buy new books. As a result, the town's economy is up and running and the industry is activated. This is a very likely story, but they cannot earn benefit from a broken window. Because the money used to fix the window could have been used elsewhere. The term opportunity cost was first used by the Australian economist Frederick von Weiser in 1914. Far before then, though he didn't use the term, Benjamin Franklin explained the concept of opportunity cost. This is from Advice to a Young Tradesman, which he wrote in 1746. Let's say a man who could earn 10 shillings a day spent half his days spending 6 pences while eating, drinking, and having fun. We need to remember that the loss doesn't end at the 6 pieces. He has also lost 5 shillings, his half day's work worth of money. For your information, 1 shilling is equal to 12 pence.